Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix MSI monitor not showing green color. So, in this case, you might be wondering how to exactly fix this issue. Well, fixing this issue is quite easy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that this is not caused by your graphics driver. So in this case, first things first is you want to open up your graphics driver. So in this case, I have NVIDIA. You want to go ahead and open up your NVIDIA app here, or in this case, any other driver you have out there. So you want to go to drivers, and you want to go ahead and make sure to download the latest one here. So just make sure that it is not your GPU. But once you've done that, go ahead and start your PC and see if that solves the issue. Now, also another thing that you might want to do here is you might want to go ahead and check a few things on your display settings. So usually on your desktop, you want to right click on it. You want to go to display settings. And from here, you want to go and select your monitor here. And you want to go and scroll down a bit here. And from here, what we need to do here, so you want to scroll down a bit and you want to look for the advanced display settings option. Let's go and click on it. Now, by the way, make sure to select your monitor first. So since I have multiple monitors here, I need to click on identify first to know which monitor I'm currently editing. So yeah, you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here, go to advanced display settings. And from here, what we need to do is we need to go display adapter properties for display tree. Now, for this one, what you need to do is, by the way, you want to switch over to your monitor first. So I have this one. Let's go and click on display adapter profiles. And from here, what we need to do is we need to go to color management, and you want to go and click on color management here. Now, the thing with this one is I would recommend you, like, for example, if you've played around with some profiles here and use different options or change a few things here, I recommend you to basically revert your profile. So in this case, click on profile to bottom right here, and you can go and try resetting my settings to system defaults, but only if you played around with color management here. So if you haven't touched anything in here, do not touch anything, just leave it as is and move on to the next step that I'll be showing you. So the next step is to actually just factory reset your actual monitor. So how do we exactly do that? So this is the instruction manual directly from MSI themselves. So in order for you to factory reset your monitor here, or reset your monitor, you want to press the M button and choose other, then press E button in front of your monitor to the next stage here, and you want to select the reset, then press E. So E for enter. Now select yes, then press E. Then from then on, it will actually reset your monitor, and hopefully that would fix the issue itself. Now, if none of those actually work, what you could do here is you might want to get it checked out. So there might be some problems on your actual monitor. So some of the maybe some form of problem has arisen on your monitor, and you might want to make it you want to make sure that you get this fixed. But then again, those are the things that you do to do your initial checks here. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.